Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sujata Mittal, working as Senior Gynec Oncologist at Famicare Specialty Center, New Delhi. I'm a master trainer for Colposcopy and bilateral internal rehabilitation. I also give hands-on training in doing hysterectomy. Today I'm going to talk about my Colposcopy training program because it is very important that every one of us are trained in doing the colposcopy. The government's bill to eradicate cervical cancer by 2030, it has become a very rather imperative for every gynecologist to be a trained colposcopist and to do it in your OPD. So we have got this unique hybrid advanced colposcopy training program which we hold every 2 to 3 months. On Friday, Saturday we go live where we give you training in the theory part, and on Sunday we do the practical training, that is hands-on training, where every doctor is given 2 cases. So in theory everyone knows what are important points, that what is the anatomy of the cervix, what is the physiology of the cervix, what is the histopathology of the cervix and CIN, how to diagnose the lesion, what is the HPV, what type of the HPV infection causes the cervical cancer, and how to manage those HPV infections. So all these didactic lectures are being taken by myself and very good faculty from different medical colleges also. And on Sunday, we teach you how to hold the colposcope, how to know how to focus the colposcope on the cervix, how to identify the transformation zone, how to take the biopsy. So this practical training is limited in doing the colposcopy. We are not going to teach you how to do the lead, but definitely how to take the biopsy, we will definitely teach. So I invite all of you to take the advantage of this workshop and be the part of Academy of the Colposcopists, which we want to create in future. Thank you, and I will be waiting for you.